Welcome back to Indian Trace. This is a washed out Notchville. It's nice, isn't it? Tobacco is brand new, but 5 to 8 inches of rain absolutely decimates a place. They're gonna have to come back through here with equipment. Listen, when you know who was somewhere, you know what is there. When you know who was there, you know what is there. Take a look at well, let's do something. Let's do something here. I mean, I've got to check something out here. And look at this key. Mercy. I've got some things to talk about. Look at this. Would you look at this? What on earth? So let me pull my head together. I've got a piece in the ground that's looking sweet. I'll show you just from this angle if you can pick it up. How good are your eyes? I hope that's full. We're going to check it in a second. Serrations are fairly rare. Fairly rare. Okay, on Indian Trace here, I'm going to go right down here. I'm telling you what, we have every possibility of finding another smoker. I'm going to show you the artifacts that I found. We're going to move forward. We're just going to get a movie together to show this stuff because I can't wait at the end. I can't come back and make a cleanup video. So I'm figuring out a way to do it. Different videos all the time, different ways, methods, if you will. How do you handle being overwhelmed with artifacts? See, we got footprints here, barefoot. But I know, because I'm able to tell and detail things, that this crew, look at this good country out here. I mean, you can go up here as far as you can see, all the way to the barns, 700 yards away to see if anybody was coming in or what have you. I don't see anybody here, ever. Except these footprints, these are workers, because both of them were carrying a shovel. Look at this. See that long cut mark? That's a shovel. They came, did an assessment yesterday, and we've got a lake in the middle of the field. It's crazy. They're gonna have to get heavy artillery back in here to get these fields straight, which means everything's gonna be refreshed again. Can you even believe it? What's in the ground? The accumulation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 years of occupation of Stone Age is not going to run out. I couldn't even collect it all in my lifetime, even if I dug and screened the place. No possible way. No way. So anyway, we're going to go up here. We're going to check out what I found. So look at this right here. I don't even know what it is. I don't know what it is yet. But this is what I'm talking about. That's a base. Could be broken. Maybe we'll get a nice point, live find. See, it's broken. We got more coming. Look it. Join the hunt with Indian Trace. Trying to share things in a unique fashion. Working hard at a lot of things, getting focused and budgeting my time. I've got to get through here. I'm giving up food for sure. I must be losing weight these days. Keep my eyes peeled, see if we can get a live find before I show you these artifacts. Okay, we got to get going. We got things to do. We got artifacts to find. I'm going to tell you what, that can't be a point right there. Look at how small that is. I'm thinking to myself, that can't be a point. It can be. If you're at the right place, it's a flake. So, let's check this out. Let's get a little tour and see what we've found so far. That's the one I just found. A base, for sure. Now, this is good stuff. Piece of pottery. Look at the texture on that thing. Get a little tour here, and then we're going to check that one out down the way. Can you believe this? I mean, a lot of people say, you know, when you go out, you're hunting for treasure. This is modern, though. Maybe colonial. Look at the patina on that. That's heavy. What on earth, right? I got to find a chest sticking up somewhere, right? What on earth is that doing out here? Don't matter to me. That'll make a good addition to something. That's craziness right there. I don't metal detect, but that's craziness. Now look at this base, these points, pieces. I'll give them in sets. Sun's bright. Look at this set. Great looking piece, little pieces. Finding some great stuff, you know. Couple bases here. You don't always find full points. I mean, like I said, and I was talking to Flintsball the other day. Look at this little teeny base right here. What a heartbreaker. I would have liked to see the top of that point. It's broken. Look at that base. Nice base. You know, you're gonna find, oh, I almost forgot these two, smoking awesome points. You're gonna find smoking points like that, 1 out of 20. You're gonna find smoking good points like down here, what I think is full, maybe 1 in 20, maybe 1 in 30. These are maybe 1 in 20. Look at that, Guilford Yuma, look at the top. That's a smoker. Guilford Yuma. And this one, very nice point. Look at it with me. I'm sweating. It's about 90 degrees today in North Carolina. It's hot. It's humid because we had so much rain. It's got to get vaporized off. That's an incredible point right there if you can see it. I can't tell because it's so bright. I don't even know what's coming in the viewfinder. That's a smoking awesome point right there. Those two. Anyway, good show of things. Let's go check it out. What I want you to see here is we got water, we got young tobacco, we got points. Watch it be broken, that'd be funny, wouldn't it? I think it's funny. I mean, it just happens. Sweet point, you can see it right there, right? I'm trying to make sure I, sorry, the reveal, do this out of the sun. Can I? Oh my word. Nice point. Nice point. Look at this. It's not broken. They just don't have a large ear on the other side. Why not? That's a great point. Sure, we want it all balanced because we're all caught up on high caliber bullet rounds. But no, these are awesome. These are awesome. Look at this. Put it right there. That's a good group, isn't it? Here on Indian Trace. And I appreciate you tuning in to Indian Trace. And that right there with the tobacco. That's Indian Trace. Hope you find out there.